I know. Okay, guys. So this is going to be the last project of the year, kind of your last grade for the year, aside from final exam. But anyway, the end of year project, there is a paper in the file or file on your in the folder for today, which is Monday, May 10th. And so what I'm going to do is just kind of go through this with you and discuss it. But it's an end of year project we're calling Chemistry in Movies. So we've done different projects at the end of each year, and this one I think seems like a lot of fun. So what you guys are going to do is try to find a clip from a movie or a TV show, if you like, of an appropriate part in a movie or television show where it talks about chemistry or it does a chemistry experiment, or you're going to have to explain why the chemistry in this clip of your choice is correct or incorrect. Is it true or false? You can refute the chemistry or you can agree with the chemistry. You're welcome to just explain chemistry that is functional and makes sense. It's true. That's fine. So that's going to be kind of your the basis for what you're going to do. There is going to be some work that you're going to have to do as well. But anyway, here we go. So the required work. You're going to need to make a PowerPoint presentation or a video. So you're going to need to do some research about your clip and the chemistry and make sure that all of that goes well. Once you decide what clip you're going to use, you need to send your teacher, that's either Aiken or Mr. Tollett, a proposal of what you want to discuss. So maybe the movie clip itself, and you're welcome to email it to us, the movie clip itself, and then what the chemistry background is behind it. You don't have to have all the research and everything done at that point, but just talk about what it is that you want to do, and we'll give you a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It may be thumbs down. You know, we don't need any crazy Breaking Bad stuff. All right. So, but there's some cool stuff out there, and you guys, I think, may enjoy this. All right. So PowerPoint presentation or video. You also need a 2-page research paper. Now, originally I was going to make this a lot longer, but 2 pages is fine. That 2 pages does not include a title page. It does not include your references, but a written full, 2-page description of what you're doing. So a research paper showing that you actually looked up the chemistry and you know what you're talking about. That's important. The movie or media clip needs to be no longer than 5 minutes. We don't want to watch it. It's the shorter, the better, but something that's relatively short. I'm going to give you the choice to present this to the class. Even if you're virtual, you could come into class virtually and present if you'd like. But if you make a movie, we could just play your movie. If it's a PowerPoint presentation, you would be asked to present it to the class. But I am going to make it a choice. I'm going to give you guys the option of doing that, and we'll see how that goes. But anyway, 5 minutes. The presentation or the video can't be more than 10 minutes in total. So there you go. The due dates, Monday, 5/10, you're hopefully watching this video. For those in the class, I'll be explaining to them what they're going to do, but that'll begin the initial work in class, discussing what you want to do. Go and look up some video clips and see if you can find one that you want to submit. And maybe you want to find a couple of them to submit because one of them is not going to be approved. Anyway, on Friday, that's a whole week to work on that. Now, there's some other things going on that week in class. And some other AP tests going on. So that's the reason why. But you will submit your proposal to us so that we can look over the weekend and determine which ones are okay and which ones are not okay. You are welcome to propose before Friday. You could do it, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Don't do it on Monday in the middle of class. Go do a little bit of research and figure it out first. But you may submit your proposals early and get this, knocked out and out of the way. That would be great. On Monday, so that'll be Monday the 17th, I'm actually going to or we will let you know if you're approved or not. Hopefully everybody will be. And then by Tuesday, that's the very next day after the approval, is an early due date. If you want to turn it in early on that Tuesday, you can get 5 points added to the actual grade. Our idea is that this grade will be an academic achievement grade, same as a lab. And so maybe this could help inflate your averages a little bit. Ha ha ha. Tuesday, yeah, I said early due date. Thursday will be the actual due date of the paper. So once you get your proposal in, the sooner you get it in, the more time you have to work on it. But Friday would be the late date for turning in proposal. Monday you get it back, and the actual due date is Thursday for online submission. You'll send it to us. You won't present to the class. Then on Friday and probably the following Monday, we'll have time in class to go and look at some of the group's presentations. For the online folks, if you want to work with another virtual student, you're more than welcome to do that. No more than one virtual student. We're not doing groups of 3 and 4 and 5. That's no. And you are welcome to do it on your own, but realize that you could split up the work, of course, if you do it with a partner rather than by yourself. The final project, there's a bunch of details there that talk about it, the research paper, what a title page is. And I know that you guys have done this a million times and you're probably in good shape as far as what you need to do, but I wanted to spell it out that way, points can be deducted. Sorry about that. The last thing is the presentation or video. I think I want to make it optional for me, but I would love for you guys to present. It won't be part of your grade, so to speak, but it would be good to see what you guys did, especially the videos. I'd love to play them in class. And that's pretty much it. So that'll take us from today, which is Monday the 10th, through, what is that, the 17th, I think? No, sorry, Friday the 21st. The next week will be final exams, and we'll discuss that with you guys before that time comes, okay? So good luck, have fun, choose something that you are interested in, and show us what you got. All right.